Hi everyone, it's been a while since my last upload of unboxing of Korean cosmetics or skincare. Right now I have 4 products that I bought from Club Clio, one each from Peripera and Twinkle Pop. I never heard Twinkle Pop before. It's my first time also to try their product. I guess it's a new sub-brand of Clio, but I don't know, not sure yet. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing this one. The box is wet from the side because it was raining much today. As you can see, all the products are well packed and secured. I got a free pouch from, I don't know how to pronounce this one, but I'll try, from Chogoism, a collab from Peripera. It's a cute pouch in yellow. First item is this mascara from Peripera, a collab from Chogoism, ink black mascara in number 3, clear set curling. You can read the description down about this product, which I grabbed from their site. Never tried it yet, so I can say anything, but I think they're all good products, so I will expect them to do their job well, except for Clio cushion, which I've been loving since then. My favorite cushion is Cara and Clio. Oh, I got some good luck card. I'll open it later, and I have some Godal sample too. This is Clio Chiffon Blur Tint in number 8, Deep Milk Tea. The shade is nice. Again, you can read the description down if you want to know more details about the products. I got free Peripera Chogoism grip talk. That one thing you put on the back of your phone or phone case so you can have a good grip to it, and I think you can use it as a stand too. Let's move on to this Twinkle Pop Face Flash Palette in number 2, Oh Pinkful. I was a bit hesitant to purchase this one because I never used blusher after the pandemic. I used instead of Tint, the one that's from Peripera Ink Velvet. It's funny because after the pandemic I have a lot of tints stock up, so I used them as a blusher. And lastly, from Clio again, this scale cover, the new Founwear cushion with a refill. Their packaging is nice, but it's a bit bigger than I was expecting. I really love this cushion so much. I don't know why, but you must try this one if you haven't. So I guess that's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone. See you in my next video. Bye bye.